Hi, I'm BPerrin. I'm a member of the Community of Christ. I'm up at Camp Doniphan. I've been the board president in previous years, and my family has been up here for retreats, reunions, camps. Anyhow, we have invested some time up here. What I wanted to talk to you about today was the HVAC, the heating and cooling equipment. The main lodge has some serious heating and cooling issues. I'm going to help you understand the need. So I'm down in the mechanical room at Doniphan where the 40-ton air handler is located. It's been in here since the building was built. So this is kind of a view of the beast. There it is. So this has a 135 kilowatt electric heater that comes on in all at once, and that's the heat that basically heats the building through a series of duct dampers that haven't worked in a long time. There's actually 8 different zones there. This is the return coming back down from that mezzanine duct up above that's fiber duct and has failed and fallen apart. In here is the return chamber, and I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not, but that's the filter bank that really there's no way to filter that the air coming back from the return in here to make it to where it can get all the dirt. It's highly problematic and has been for a very, very long time. This is the collapsed fiber board that is pretty typical. This is the return throughout the building. You can see the dirt that's collected, and when you move this, it just breaks into dust. And of course that goes right into the airstream, if it's disturbed. I wanted to show you some more of this fiber duct that's blown apart. And this is above the ceiling. It's supply air duct, so this is duct that goes actually out into the space of the downstairs meeting area. So as you can see, it's blown apart, and the same thing with the dirt and the dust that is being held in this duct is really yucky. On each side of the lower lodge, there's these pits that contain these package units that have heating coils in them, and the duct goes down underground and over each side into the lower meeting hall. The return air also goes down through that way. The duct is underground. Obviously it was metal, highly problematic as far as moisture getting in them. I would imagine it's a source of a lot of mildew and probably some unpleasant smells that some people may relate to in the building. This is the other side of the lower lodge cooling. This unit hasn't worked for many years. Does the same thing. The duct goes underground, is probably in pretty bad shape, and at any rate, this is the side where the new equipment for each side will be placed. That unit will be replaced. A platform will be built there, and the new condensers will be put on it. There'll be 2 separate systems that do the downstairs. I'm outside by the 40-ton cooling unit, so it's cooling only. Very old, has had lots of problems. 3 compressor replacements, one recently. The big problem is these refrigeration lines go underground into there. There's no way to really clean them completely with the new refrigerant changes that have happened. and so the compressors fail rather quickly. There's just not a good repair. As you can see, across over here is what some refer to as the point. I had a grandson married right out there, and then over there in the pool I've had grandson baptized. So I'm fully invested up here.